that. We're running out of recipes. We're going to talk to Joshua in a little bit, guys, but we have another recipe to roll out.
I love, yeah.
Yeah.
You know how much you want.
So you ate sardines for the first time.
Yeah.
Please tell me that you had shrimp before.
I've actually never had shrimp.
You know.
No, I'm joking. I'm joking.
I was not going to stop the press.
No, I've had shrimp before.
You've had shrimp before?
Yeah, I love shrimp.
Get maneuvers there.
And
So,
looking like that in my kind of size, big shrimp, we'll go jumbo shrimp.
I love a jumbo shrimp.
Yes, sir.
I love a jumbo shrimp.
Yes, me too.
So what I want to showcase today, actually, I'm going to put my heat on my pan. And it's all courtesy of the folks at Bertolli olive oil. So Bertolli extra virgin olive oil comes regular olive oil, but it's a cool olive oil. It also comes in a spray.
Wow.
So, doing something like shrimp, where you really don't need much cooking time, shrimp cooks very, very quickly. Instead of dousing the pan with olive oil or any type of other oil, you have Bertolli oil with a spray.
Oh, wow. Wow, that is performance. That is performance.
Bertolli olive oil. Pan is coated, getting nice and hot, and I have some lovely shrimp. So I'm going to do some seared shrimp, and I'm going to put it together with the actual Bertolli olive oil.
Okay.
A nice dressing, a nice little Italian style dressing.
Looking forward.
Right? So pan nice and seared, and I just want to get my shrimp.
But shrimp are actually really big, but.
Yeah. Nice jumbo shrimp. The pan man come down in tongue, you know, when the pan man come down
I
in
like
tongue.
treatment.
Yeah.
Everybody needs to take the treatment. That's how pan man needs to be treated. When I come, it's just meals.
The pan man, the national instrument in the Copper Joe studio, I had to pay big respects to that. So shrimp goes down in my olive oil. Nice sear. And this literally just needs about a minute or two on either
I
side.
kind of cooking now.
Right? So quick thing. And let me tell you, this was very simple. Salt, pepper, just a little bit of green seasoning, and that's it. Not heavily seasoned at all. Because you want to taste and allow the shrimp flavor to come through.
Yeah, that was
Just
amazing.
about how much time you think again?
Nah, a minute exact.
A minute exact?
Yeah, I was really counting, you know.
It's really confident.
Yeah.
So if you look now, you turn, you start to just see the nice little, getting nice and opaque. So you just probably want the same thing on that side. Get that shrimp all turned.
In addition of mine, you could get a heavy hand.
Heavy on the shrimp?
Yeah, heavy on the shrimp. Just like heavy.
Heavy on the shrimp. Shrimp, you know, I mean, there are some people who literally can't eat shrimp, they're allergic. And I really feel for them because, I mean, shrimp is just such a lovely shellfish.
I love shrimp.
Yeah, I love shrimp. Right? Give me another count. I'm going to make the dressing. Now it's a nice Italian dressing that will go with it. So I have my Bertolli olive oil. The actual olive oil here now, guys. I want about 3/4 cup of this olive oil. I'm going to just pour good olive oil. And just about there, exactly 3/4 cup. Pulling together this dressing, so I'm starting with some lime juice. Some lime juice goes in there. I have some honey, simple dressing, simple ingredients, all ingredients you probably should have in your pantry. I have some balsamic vinegar goes in there. Parmesan cheese.
Yeah, that's my specialty. That is my specialty.
A little oregano, just to give it that little Italian flavor, and some good old yellow mustard. Don't like to waste time. I love garlic. I use a lot of garlic.
Oh, that's real.
So that's my garlic.
Right?
Yeah, that's my garlic there. And now I mix and pour my olive oil. Good Bertolli olive oil. Pour slowly and continue mixing. Very important. Getting all the flavors combined. A little pepper.
I would not guess that.
Yeah. And my shrimp is ready. Nice and juicy. So I can now plate up prettiness.
That's
really,
a performance.
yeah, just a nice, just a little lettuce, little tomatoes, pretty plates are important. You eat with your eyes, you know, Joshua. No, man, when you come on Cup of Joe.
Yeah, I coming from my belly.
Yeah. We tell you, come hungry. And we hope that you leave happy after this.
Oh, for sure. Now I'm already happy.
Yeah.
That's what it is. Yeah.
So, just want to make sure the shrimp is nicely plated. So just before I take this dressing and pour it over here, I have some basil leaves, just for that little extra Italian flavor. I love Italian flavors. So the oregano and the basil.
You know Regrello is Italian.
It is.
Yeah.
Do you like Italian food?
Of course. Come on. True to my name.
Regrello is Italian.
Yeah.
Wow. And smell that basil. So what I want to do, Joshua, I'll take a spoon and just drizzle.
Oh, wow.
As young people would say, there's goodness.
Yeah.
Goodness.
When I'm ready, you just say taste and I am there. Yeah, I'm ready.
Lovely Asian, lovely Italian, sorry I'm saying Asian, but lovely Italian vinaigrette with my seared shrimp. This is going over to Joshua Regrello.
I love this show. Call me back anytime. Call me back anytime.
Here you go, sir.
Yes, sir.
This jumbo seared shrimp with my Italian. Regrello.
Any seasoning? Oh, yeah, I'm okay, alright. I love this too.